Hey, Joe? Joe? Oh. Hey, what are you doing in here? Aren't we filming the next episode today?
Yeah, I just need a minute.
How long have you been sitting in here?
Since episode 1.
What? Well, how long do you need? I have other stuff I want to do today after the episode.
Do you know what today's episode is about?
Yeah, geese.
Canadian geese.
Jacob, do you know what the difference is between swine flu and bird flu?
Why are we doing this again?
If you have swine flu, you need ointment. And if you have bird flu, you need tweetment.
Canadian geese, or as I refer to them, soulless bastards, they've been known to live up to 24 to 30 years. They usually die of natural causes or predators. There was one, though, when it was in captivity. It lived up to about 80 years.
Joe, we're having a little trouble hearing you through your mask.
Canadian geese, or as I refer to them, soulless bastards, can live up to 24 to 30 years and normally die of natural causes or predators. Though one has been grown to known in captivity to live up to 80 years.
Okay, why are you wearing that? We're not even to the geese yet.
They know we're coming.
Got it.
Searching for geese.
That guy just got a birdie.
Birdie. And it's geese.
You know, some people have said that geese are actually Satan's proxies.
I thought those were goats.
Yeah, same thing.
Joe, why do you even hate geese so much anyway?
Well, when I was younger, I grew up on a farm, and on this farm we had geese. And there was one goose in particular. He was known as Rex, and he was the lead goose. He was fat and he was solid evil, and he would try to attack me when I was a young lad. You know, geese, when they attack people, they don't just snap and honk at you. They bite and they twist the flesh from your body, and you know they're a very sadistic creature. You know, scientists can't even determine the best way to fight off a goose.
What do you mean? Can't you just punch them?
Yeah, you punch a goose and bite your fingers off.
Don't you think you're exaggerating just a little bit?
You know, dealing with that goose Rex is probably what made me into a man.
So, where are we going anyway?
It doesn't even matter anymore.
Probably
We're here in Bedford looking for geese, so that's unfortunate. Everybody here looks, how was it?
Disgraceful. Now.
Any geese?
Oh, and it's in fact a huge buffet.
Oh, but no geese?
No geese.
Is it bigger than China's Star Buffet?
They have 0 geese in there, so I don't know what we're supposed to do.
You know, turtles can actually breathe through their butts.
I'm here with Caitlin, a survivor of geese, and she has been kind enough to come out here and tell us her tale, if you would.
So me and my cousin, 13 years old, Corbin, that's his name, we were in a little lake area. It's concrete, and we could go over a wooden bridge. And there was at least 30 or 50 geese just kind of hanging out. So we stepped down in the geese pile, right? And my cousin picked up a big old stick just in case. But I was telling them, as long as you don't look them in the eyes, you shouldn't, provoke them. So we just walked, past 30 some odd geese, and they kind of looked at us and was like, honking at us and then looked away, and we just walked the whole entire little trail. And, you know, no geese even looked at us. Not even bothered to quack at us or, you know, anything. They just looked at us and that was that.
My God.
I know I've heard many survivor stories where many didn't survive.
Yes, it's truly harrowing. Thank you for your bravery. I appreciate you being on the show.
That's very much appreciated.
I'm gonna need you to wear this to lure out the geese. What?
Lower that.
This is our goose disguise. You will lure them out like so.
When are you gonna lure those ducks?
How did you do this?
I have my ways.
Whose hair is this?
Whose hair? Ew.
It's yours now. The goal here is for you to now infiltrate and gain the trust of the geese. Make them believe they are one of you. That way, they will come out. Okay. Back off. Like, what the hell?
Get used to it, folks. Nature Patrol is out.
Nature Patrol. How do I keep getting excited? What have you found?
That is a cicada shell.
Jack.
Is that a crocodile?
Yeah.
Right there.
That's a crocodile.
Is that a crocodile in the water?
It's a dead crocodile.
Oh my God. That's where the geese are. Get that.
They can't.
I'm gonna leave it there.
It's your own personal buddy.
That's right. Nature Patrol mascot.
Yes. I also have no idea what that is. I think it's just like
I'm gonna anamorph it actually.
a log.
You guys know that geese can fly 620 miles a day.
Is that so?
Probably. Strength and honor, Jacob. This works, they'll think he is their mother, and it'll lure them out.
They might adopt a nose or imprint on them.
I think they're luring in fish. Oh my God. Are you catching all these fish too? Where's our sack of fries?
I think it might be in the bag. I can't. So beautiful.
They're luring in something. Every time he does it, a fish jumps.
Yeah, I know.
This is actually.
They're probably scared.
Oh, sweet Lord, why?
That was onion ring.
Wasn't too bad.
They can skip food all day.
Geese will only have one mate in my whole life.
They're like penguins.
Until they eat
But
them.
they're geese.
That was a really good one, Jacob.
Oh
Here.
my God, did they come up to catch it?
No, I think they're thinking about it. At Nature Patrol, we throw food in rivers.
Yes.
But they didn't
We're
think
taking
of putting
very
up
good
"Don't feed the
care
fish"
of-
signs.
They did put up a no trespassing sign though, so, you know, same. Anyway, we're here at Williams Dam, something or other, public fishing something. And we're in Bedford, and there are fish jumping every 2 seconds. Saw about a 6-foot crane earlier. And this place is just brimming with animals. This is kind of obnoxious. We've seen tons of ducks. It literally has everything you could think of except geese. Go figure. This is actually insane. There's a lot of animals here. Constant fish jumping.
Can't forget about your friend.
Oh yeah, and this guy. He's a husk, but he means well. We have nothing for you creatures.
Do we?
They are mallards.
Really falling down.
Keep going.
Call those geese. Roost, I say.
We attracted some birds.
Geese?
It sounds like you're saying, huh?
Oh no.
Jacob, don't die or your mom will kill
No.
me.
Remember the breakfast burritos.
Oh my god, you gotta get it from this angle.
See what?
Isn't the name.
Oh.
What? You have attracted the sparrow. It seems the geese have all left. They knew we were coming, and they knew we were prepared. And the way that the mind of a goose works, unless it has the full advantage, then it will not attack. So unfortunately on our patrol today, we have not found any geese yet, but we know they're out there, and we know they're watching, and it's only a matter of time. It's a known fact that geese hang out by farms. Y'all got any geese? You got some geese? Geese! Geese, geese, geese! Alright, there's a lake coming up, there's a lake coming up. Alright. Goose! Y'all got a goose? You got a goose? God, what are rednecks even good for?
It's gone.
They have palm trees, but they don't have geese.
I just saw someone swimming down on.
Y'all have any geese?
Geese.
Guys!
Alright, they're gonna shoot us, let's go. I know that, well we tried.
Geese.
Y'all with the geese?
Y'all got some geese in
Y'all with the geese? Alright, continue bathing. It's a cow episode now. Geese! 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 Y'all got any geese?
When they fly like that, they can fly 620 miles. And when the front one gets tired, it'll actually naturally gravitate to the back, and the back will take the front. They don't even have to communicate. They just do it out of instinct.
Geese!
Oh, yeah! We found them!
Yes!